Hello students, welcome to another class. Today we are going to learn about subtraction of minus 8. In last class we studied about subtraction for minus 9 and now in today's class we are going to learn about subtraction for minus 8. Let me recall once what was the formula for minus 9. The formula for minus 9 was less 10 add 1. Similarly, the formula for minus 8 is less 10 add 2. See, if you remember the big fries formulas which we studied in the previous classes, that is for addition, then the formula was for plus 8, it was less 2 add 10, right? For plus 8, the formula was less 2 add 10. So if you are in higher classes like you are in 5th or 6th standard where you have already studied BODMAS rule, then from this formula you can derive this formula by just shifting the places. But if you are in lower classes where you don't know BODMAS rules, then it's best to memorize these formulas, which is for the formula for less 8 is less 10 add 2. Every day if you just revise these formulas, you will have them on your tips. Okay, so now without any further delay, let's get started with fingering exercise. So first question we have is 10 minus 8. This is your 10. Now minus 8. For minus 8, what is the formula? Less 10 add 2. Always focus on the fingers I am using while I am solving this, because once you don't have the tool to develop visualization, these fingers are very important. Okay, so 10 minus 8. For minus 8, the formula is less 10 add 2. So do it. Less 10 add 2. Less 10 add 2. So less 10 add 2. Answer is 2. For making you understand, I am doing it separately. Otherwise, your movement should be simultaneous. Like this is 10 minus 8 means less 10 add 2. It should go simultaneously. Okay. Now we move on to the next question, which is 11 minus 8. So 11 minus 8. For minus 8, the formula is less 10 add 2. So less 10 add 2. Answer is 3. 1, 2, 3. Now we move on to our next question, which is 12 minus 8. 12 minus 8. For minus 8 again, recall your formula, which is less 10 add 2. Less 10 add 2. So less 10 add 2. Answer is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Now we move on to our next question, which is 15 minus 8. For minus 8 again, use the formula less 10 add 2. So less 10 add 2. So answer is 5, 6, 7. 7 is your answer. Now we move on to our next question, which is 16 minus 8. For minus 8 again, the formula is less 10 add 2. So less 10 add 2. Answer is 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. And yeah, if you find difficulty in reading this abacus, numbers given in this abacus or representation of numbers on abacus, then refer to lesson 1 and lesson 2, the first 2 videos of my channel. In those videos I have taught how to read abacus. Okay, yeah. Now let's move on to next. For less 8, the formula was less 10 and add 2. So if it changes to less 80, I mean if 1 0 is added here, then see, if 1 0 is added here, then similarly 0 will be added in the simultaneous places also. So if the question is minus 80, then the answer will become minus 100 add 20. Okay, so it's nothing but this is 100. Now you need to do minus 80. For minus 80 now, minus 80 means here in tens place you need to subtract 8. So beside that tens place, here you will subtract 10 and do add 2 here. So answer is 20. So no need to get confused. Simply you remember where you need to, the place where you have to subtract 8, that place you have to add 2, and the place left to that place you will subtract 10. Okay, like if this is 110 and you have to subtract 80 means 80. 8 you have to subtract from 10's place. So in this place you will add 2, whereas the place left to this place you will subtract 10. So answer is 30. So no need to get confused. Only remember the basic skeleton formula for units digit, and using that with practice you will develop for tens place, hundreds place. It's just level 1. There are many videos to come and many levels you need to cross. So practice each day, every video I am giving you, so that slowly you will learn the entire abacus. Okay. So I think this is enough for fingering exercise. Let's jump into the questions now. 16, 5 and minus 8 is your first question. This is 16. Now you need to add 5. For adding 5, here since 5 is busy, you will use big friend formula, which is less 5 add 10, less 5 add 10. So do it, less 5 add 10. Now minus 8. For minus 8, we just now learned the formula, which is less 10 add 2. So less 10 add 2. Answer is 1, 3, 13. Now we are moving on to our next question, which is 21, 9 minus 8. So 21. For 9 again, here you need to use formula. What is the formula for adding 9? Less 1 add 10. Less 1 add 10. So do it, less 1 add 10. And again minus 8. For minus 8, your formula is less 10 add 2. So what is your answer? It is 22. Now let's move on to our next question, which is 31, 8 and minus 8. 31, 8. See, here 8 is available. So no need of any formula. Just add 8 and minus 8 again. 31. So see, you don't need to use formula everywhere. You just need to use it where it is required. Okay. 18, 7 and minus 8. 18. Now 7. For adding 7, which formula will we use? We will obviously use big friend formula for 7. So what is the big friend formula for 7? Less 3 add 10. Less 3 add 10. And then minus 8. Formula for minus 8 is less 10 add 2. So answer is 1, 7, 17. Now we move on to our next question, which is 22, 8. For adding 8 again, which formula will you use? Obviously big friend formula. And what is the big friend formula for 8? Less 2 add 10. Less 2 add 10. Then minus 8 again. For minus 8, you will use the big friend formula, which is less 10 add 2. Less 10 add 2. Answer is 22. Now we move on to our next question, which is 37, 8 and minus 8. 37. Now 8. For adding 8 again, which formula will you use? You will use big friend formula, and the big friend formula for 8 is less 2 add 10. So less 2 add 10. Now minus 8 again. For minus 2 the formula is, minus 8 the formula is less 10 add 2. Less 10 add 2. So answer is 37. If you have any doubts, put it down in the comment section. I will make a separate video or answer it there itself. Okay. Next question. 23, 8 and minus 8. 23, 8. For adding 8, what is the formula? I just told you, less 2 add 10. Less 2 add 10. So do it, less 2 add 10. Then minus 8 again. For minus 8, the formula is less 10 add 2. So less 10 add 2. Answer is 23. We move on to our next question, which is 38, 7 and minus 9. So 38, 7. For 7, we will use big friend formula, which is less 3 add 10. Less 3 add 10. And then minus 9. See, here you got minus 9. Yesterday I taught you minus 9. Who all remember it? The formula for minus 9 was less 10 add 1. So do it. Less 10 add 1. Answer is 36. Next question. 14, 8 and minus 8. 14, 8. For adding 8, the formula is less 2 add 10. So do it. Less 2 add 10. And then minus 8, which is less 10 add 2. Less 10 add 2. So the answer is 14. 1, 4, 14. Now we move on to our next question, which is 26, 5 and minus 9. So 26, 5. For adding 5, the formula we will use is less 5 add 10. So less 5 add 10 and then minus 9 again. Do you remember minus 9's formula? It is less 10 add 1. Yes, less 10 add 1. Answer is 22. So here all the game is of formulas. Once you remember formulas, you can easily solve them. Yes. Next, 17, 4 and minus 8. So this is 17. Now 4. For adding 4, this is an important question. Why? Because for adding 4, we have both big friend formula and small friend formula. In this question, which one will you use? So I always tell you, if 5 is busy, use big friend formula. 5 is free, use small friend formula. In this question, 5 is busy. So you will use big friend formula. And the big friend formula for 4 is...
The video didn't stop because of a technical glitch. The question 17, 4 and minus 8 is your homework. Tell me the answer in the comment section. And part 2, that is more practice questions based on this formula, are coming in the next video. Happy learning! And if you have any doubts, do put it in the comment section, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel Abacus at your tips. Thank you so much.